Welcome to another video. So December is just around the corner, so if you are looking for a present to either give your son or daughter who has done very well in school, or maybe if you want to gift your wife, or if you want to gift whoever that you think maybe they deserve a vehicle, or maybe you've just landed that first job and you are looking to buy your first vehicle, or you simply want a vehicle that is light on fuel, that is small and compact and easy to park. Well, today we've got the 2023 Toyota Vitz. So this is quite an interesting vehicle. So as usual, we are going to do our normal walk around, and then afterwards we're gonna jump inside the vehicle and just show you what this vehicle is all about. So right now, as you can see, you've got these cute 15-inch alloy wheels and these Yokohama tires, which is really a nice touch, because at the end of the day, even though it's a small vehicle, but you also want like a reputable brand, especially on the tires there. And then checking out this side, you can see there you've got your view mirror, although it doesn't have that integrated turn signal on it. The turn signal, you can see there, it's on the body of the vehicle, and then there you have it. You've got your door handles as well, which are the same color as the vehicle. So this particular vehicle, it comes with 3 trims. So there is a base model, and then there is the XR manual, and also there is an XR automatic. So the one that we are looking at today is sort of like in the middle, right, which is the Toyota Vitz XR. So checking out this side of the vehicle, you can see on the back side it is okay. The lights, they're okay. You basically are getting sort of like a very simple vehicle. So in terms of pricing, obviously for this you will get it at 219,900, and then the cheaper variant you get it for 189, and then the automatic XR you will get it for 239. So this is sort of like the middle, which is like your sweet spot, right? That wasn't a pun. Anyways, when it comes to your warranty and servicing, so on this one it comes with a 3-year 100,000 kilometer warranty and 2 services at 30 kilometer plan. So quite okay, though I think on the service plan they really need to improve. So checking out also this side, it is okay. Nothing much really going on this vehicle. So yeah, if you are a first-time buyer, definitely put this one on your list. Go and check it out. So this particular vehicle also, it comes with a 1-liter engine capacity, which produces 49 kilowatts and 89 newton meters of torque. So yeah, that will be enough for you to move like from point A to point B. And then it also has got a 32-liter fuel tank capacity, and on average, should you drive like a normal person, you should be able to average 4.4 liters for every 100 kilometers. And then now jumping inside the vehicle, as you can see, nothing much really going on there. You can see there, that's where, if you're closing the door, that's where you close it from, and then you've got your water bottle sort of like space there, and then there you can also open your door from, and then lock it as well from there. And then at the bottom you've got a speaker, and then the seats, these are cloth seats, so you don't get leather seats. And then there is your seat adjuster if you want that back to move either forward or sort of like to lean towards the back. I liked, however, the design of these seats. They really okay. And then there, if you lift it, and then you can move that seat towards the back, and then you can see there you've got 3 pedals, meaning that it is a manual. And then also there you see you've got some buttons, and then that's where you control your view mirrors. So they are electronically controlled, which is a good thing. And then you've got your air vents, as well, which is also sort of like a standard feature. So yeah, I think for a startup vehicle it is okay. And then at the middle you can see you've got your Toyota and then your airbag, and then on the other side you can see there you can navigate in between songs. So in total this vehicle, it actually has got 2 airbags, right? And then you can see the dashboard there, that is your speedometer, and top speed is 160. And then this one I had to ask for the key, because I know a lot of people, they want also to buy like a brand new vehicle. So for you to start it, you just make sure that it's in neutral, so that it doesn't jump or do anything funny when you start it. And then once you start it, then there you can see your speedometer and also your rev counter. And then this is your infotainment screen. So there you see where it says agree, just agree whatever they are saying there. Then you can see it's on FM right now. You can go to home, and then there on the left side you can see fuel consumption, and then so which is also a good thing. And then the clock, which is also awesome. So yeah guys, and then there is your volume, you can increase or decrease it. And then just below the screen you can see there is your indicator, your hazards rather, and then you can lock or unlock from there. And then your windows, you can also lock them from there, which is a bit weird, because normally those are other buttons, you normally find them on the side of the door. And then down there, that is your control for your climate control, so you can switch it on, and then you can adjust obviously if you want it to be hot or cold. And then down there you get your 12-volt socket, and also on the side there is a USB port as well, which is also good. So yeah guys, it is a good vehicle if you are looking for a startup one. And then you've got your cup holders as well at the bottom there. And then you can see it's a 5-speed manual gearbox. And then there is your e-brake, your park brake, so you simply engage or disengage. And then this is the passenger side, quite okay as well. You've got your storage space there, you've got that, here's a manual inside. And then yeah, pretty much this side is very similar to the driver's side as well. So yeah guys, let me know what you think of this one. There you've got your sun visor for your passenger, and then also that handle, right, should they want to use it. And then you as the driver as well, that's your sun visor. And then you've got the lights as well. If it is dark in the vehicle, you can so long use them. So overall guys, this is the front of this little hatchback. So let me know what you think of this one. I think it is really a good vehicle. So on the other side, so remember Suzuki Celerio also has options that you can also consider. So the same exact sort of like option for this one at Suzuki, you can get it for 198,000, which is sort of like maybe 20k cheaper, which is similarly spec'd to this. And then at the back still you get your cloth seats, and also you've got seat belts as well for safety. And then pretty much that's it. And then you can see as well your windows are electrically adjustable. And then you can see there your seat belts. Then you also have got these headrests as well for the people that are sitting at the back. So yeah, I think it is okay. And also those seats, they can fold. I think they split into 60-40. That's yeah, pretty much standard. Overall, I think it is a good vehicle. Let me know what you think of this one, guys. And then moving towards the back side, obviously the boot, for you to open it, you simply do like that. And then you can see there you've got plenty of space for you to load your groceries, or if you want to put bags and then hit the road. Because yeah, you know, if you've just bought your vehicle, sometimes you just want to cruise around and enjoy yourself. And then underneath you get a spare wheel as well with some accessories for you to change it. So guys, if you've made it this far and still watching, please take a moment and like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. We're on our way to 5,000 subscribers. So if you know somebody who is interested in a brand new vehicle, something much more affordable, something that is light on fuel, please do share this video with them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.